taking place. As we all know that the basic definition here specifies that mechatronics, it is a synergetic combination of both mechanical and electrical components indeed to consider the similar composition of work, and this mechatronic system will be coming into the force. And as per the discussion that has been considered till now, after the modeling prototyping need to be analyzed, the laboratory process of the simulation progress leads to an optimization technique. This optimization is nothing but limitation of the investment or economical factor, and high output need to be obtained by the investing of a less economical ratio, or by satisfying the overall conditions that has been occurred in the modeling need to be simulated, and that simulation also need to be monitored within the less economical factors already existing within them with respect to the market survey. And if that simulation process has been done okay, then the deployment or the manufacturing cycles in the realistic basis or manufacturing process in the industrial sector will be considered. And if at all those are not satisfied, then the survey will be recalled to the modeling once again by satisfying or editing the model already that we are existing. So that is the process, and these are the main objectives of mechatronic system. So the integration of different mechanical and electrical systems, and why it is necessary. The integration is necessary here. That is a technical term need to be learned. Yeah, we can take a best example that considering an system or industry, if there is a sorry for the disturbance, it has been halted, and we'll be continuing here. Moving with respect to the design objectives, and here objectives upon combination we are discussing related to the manufacturing process. So if there is an object that is already existing within the marketing sector, that is available for 100 rupees, the similar containments or ingredients that are existing within that particular object need to be available within the market upon our simulation process beyond that 100 rupees itself. That is can be considered as an 90 rupees itself. So this is the basic optimization that need to be done. And moving on to the objectives of reduction of cost, high accuracy and precision, controlling very much easily when compared to the previous sector, also has to be analyzed as per the schedule. For considering a bit example, within the industry, number of workers are to be grouped to commence the overall commencement of work. For example, electrician has to be taken care of the electrical work, and machinery, if there is a malfunction in the machinery, so skillful worker at that particular machinery need to be engaged indeed to monitor that particular considerations. Next, later on, if there is any further construction module of variations, that has to be overcome with respect to the skillful construction worker. So upon integration of these three, that is, need to be economical factor need to be spent very much high for each and every individual sector. So if a mechatronics engineer is being considered, he will be aware of all these multitasking elementary. He could able to solve the malfunctioning that is being taking place in the machinery. So mechanical work he could able to do, and electrical work, if there is any minute electrical difficulties are existing while transferring the signals from one place to another place, those can be able to solve with respect to without contacting the skillful person. The basic minute problems can be rectified or resolved by this particular multitasking person. And here is one of the benefit to the marketing or investor, nothing but the owner. Here there is one of the basic advantage, because indeed to compensate different types of tasks, instead of recruiting 3 to 4 different members from the different departmental fields, one person could able to do the overall work here. So instead of paying 4 different salaries, there is one benefit of paying only single salary and depending upon the skill, it can be increased to that particular persons. So those are the basic advantages or to the company owners, against the owners or investors. So basic advantages here, the integration will be very much high. In such a way, the monitoring auctions also need to be taken place, but there is a high reliability and safety. And using of artificial intelligence within the integration process leads to the less in work efficiency related to physical sector. Nothing but manual power or human power will be very much decreased or minuted by the incorporation of this artificial intelligence. So the concepts or heuristic concepts will be dumped as per the given schedules or as per the program of instructions into the microprocessor. This processor will be guided with respect to this microcontroller, and upon the integration of these both, without any human involvement, by detecting with the help of sensors, directly the task will be getting performed. So hence there is no any involvement of the human beings here. So that is a greater advantage. And even another one more advantage here we can consider it is, if the n number of persons are existing, instead of a direct manufacturing place, in the direct manufacturing place itself, so one person can do an work by manufacturing only 10 different goods related to the similar processing operations for the entire day. If the machinery has been considered, similar kind of items means here 30 to 40 types of products can be similar group of products can be manufactured, or else if it has been increased furtherly by decreasing the similar characterizations or similar goods manufacture, different types of goods can be manufactured by varying its dimensional accuracies also. So these are the multi developments or multi advantages that are existing in the case of mechatronic systems. And even for each and every system, if they are existing the advantages or implementing in the technology levels, obviously there will be minimal cases of disadvantages also as well. So here, indeed, to incorporate this very much, it is cost effective. Initial cost is very much high when compared it, and repairs and maintenances also has to be taken place. Skillful workers need to be replaced here. So these and all are some of the difficulties. So these are the main considerations that we have been discussed in the previous class and moving on with respect to the application point of view. So moving to the application point, in the domestical sector, when you have been considered in our daily basis, we will be able to visualize this washing machine operation, automatic camera. So in the business sector, in an MSME scale, micro, small, and medium scale of entrepreneurship, MSME. These Xerox or copy machineries and barcode readers, our scanners, and even that transferring zones, transistors, trans receivers will be utilized. So trans receivers in the sense transducers, a combination of both the transferring, receiving, sensing elements, sensing or even transferring of sections and receiving the signals. So that is called transducer. In the industrial case, the heavy machineries or conveyor belts, automation control systems, and in our daily basis, for dynamical actions or transportation characterizations, we will be utilizing this ABS system for the car engines. That is anti-lock braking systems, decreasing of the torque on a sudden basis by the decrementing of the time factor. When compared to the drum sections. Next, some more examples or applications that we are seeing here. That is mechatronic applications, smart consumer products in our home security basis. Nothing but security cameras that we are very much fond of, are aware of nowadays. In any of the shop that you can visualize the automatic cameras that we are entering into the shop, and what are the materials that we are taking, what are the materials that we have been purchased, and billing sector, etc. And another one more, it is camera systems and microwave ovens, toasters, and application of some of the thermal related concepts, and additional more motor consignment units. And in the medical fields, planting devices, assisted surgeries, or haptic, etc. So haptic in the sense here, hygienic considerations of materials. So surgical materials which will be utilized at an high temperature factors. So simultaneously in the defense characterization also these are being utilized, defense characterizations. So defense in the sense here we all aware of that in the vehicles or bomb launchers or rocket sectors or rocket jet fighters at the borders of our India, in the army we will be utilizing. So the manufacturing itself will be happening in the defense sector, and this defense sector, as you have discussed initially in the mechatronics diagrammatical, that is um, schematical diagram, that depending upon the survey or analysis, the design process will be considered, and thus design process will be done with respect to the DRDO, Defense Research Development Organizations, DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. And overall that survey will be submitted to the DRDO, and hence the approvals will be seeking from the Defense Research Development Organization, and then the funds will be allocated for manufacturing or simulation activity initially. That will be moving on to the that particular diagram. Simulation activity will be getting progress, nothing but the prototyping. After the allocation of minimal funds, the prototyping or simulation activity will be taking place, and later on the deployment, nothing but after completing the simulation activities also, the results will be again submitted to the DRDO, that how much cost will be um, commencing for manufacturing of a single rocket, etc., and what are the components that we are being utilized, and what are the mechanical processes that are existing, electrical processes that are existing, and assembly conditions need to be considered while manufacturing and constituting as a finished product, up to finished product, from the starting stage onwards until the editing and completion of overall the finishing process. This prototyping will be considered in the case of simulation, and these will be documentation submitted to the DRDO. And later on, the upon existing or executing these processes, the major consideration will be taking place and maximum manufacturing will be considered. So these are the some of the examples, and the robotics and the manufacturing kinds robotics indeed to transfer the material from one place to the another place, or from one elevation region to the another elevation region, and machines that can be transferred from one area to another areas by utilizing the palletizations or pallet transfers. And the process executing process also will be commenced by the automatic sections. So entire whatever the decrementing of the human power or human members will be considering as an automation. So network centric distribution systems, these are also some of the examples that are necessary here. And as a pictorial representation, these are the simple examples as per the mechatronic system basis. So photocopier that we are visualizing nominally in our Xerox copies, scanners, etc. And modern sieving machines. Next, disk drivers, the reading of the information that has been saved in the CD with respect to the CD drive, and that reader will read the entire information already stored in that CD and displaying in the display screen. And nothing but the physical storage as a lens basis is being transferred to the voltage signals, and that voltage signals has been transferred to the display unit, and display unit is displaying the entire objectives in the pictorial representation over there. So this is the different converting factors, two or three different converting factors taking place indeed to read the information stored in the CD to the voltage signals that are being passed to the converting section to the display section, and display is nothing but the visibility that we are seeing in our mm, LCD or LED displays. Next, vending machines, simultaneously the automatic sliding doors. So sliding doors here having two different types. So upon manual existing, and by detecting with respect to the sensors directly. If we approaches nearer to the sliding door, automatically it senses that how much widen the windows or doors has to be get opened depending upon the personality of a person, and the width that will be calculated simultaneously by the sensor will give the feedback to the controller, and depending upon that controller alignment and the feedback, that will give the driving factors to the processor, and hence that processor initiates the signals to the actuators. Hence actuators are nothing but the motors, and motors will start rotating in clockwise direction as well as counterclockwise direction. If the counterclockwise direction they have been rotated, counterclockwise direction it has been rotated, simultaneously our window will be sliding towards the back side. Nothing but if that has been sliding towards the back side, the door will be getting in an open direction. So if the drives or motors is rotating in an clockwise direction, that will be in as a closing factor. So automatically the auto garage openers also acting similarly in such a way. And career paths. So in our BTech or after completing the BTech, this mechatronic system is very much useful. And if you are very much fond of these mechatronics means, you could be able to learn this both mechanical concepts and as well as the electrical concepts also even. And by this you are having a good scope of getting the jobs. Nothing but completely mechanical candidates will be having a lagging with some technical or basic concepts with respect to the electrical. Simultaneously electrical also will be having some of the lagging with respect to the mechanical, and you will be having the both the concepts here. And if both the concepts are having with you, ultimately you will call as an multitasking person, and by consuming this overall data you will be having a scope of getting the jobs immediately than the or faster than the other persons, right? These are the career paths if you have been very much fond of with respect to the mechatronics. In the automobile fields you are having very much advantages. In the robotics fields, medicals, manufacturing fields, aerospace and material processing. Clear? Thank you. And you can unmute yourself, and if you have any doubts you can ask me, and I will be clearing your doubts within this 8 minutes of time period. Or if you are unable to uh, convey orally, you can chat in the chat box. I will be replying to you. I'm repeating, students, we are having 7.5 minutes of time for an doubt session. If anyone are having the doubts, just you can chat that question in our chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. Okay, I think I'm not getting any of the replies from you guys. You can unmute yourself. The access has been given to you. No doubts. Okay. It seems to be very much shocking. So I think almost all you have understood the complete conversation that have been delivered as per the class till now. Okay, feel flexible. The similar video will be
No, sir.
uploaded in the video. Ah, yeah, yeah, you can ask.
You can't listen properly, sir.
Can't able to listen properly. I think there might be an problem,
Network problem,
technical
sir.
problem with respect to your internet or something
Yeah,
else.
yes, sir. I like, sir.
I think you are having the internet connectivity malfunctioning with you.
Yes, sir.
Check aware of it, and kindly able to be in a situation that where you are getting the complete signal, right? Even due to
This
the
one also
environmental.
can't getting properly, sir.
Amma?
This one also can't getting properly for me, sir.
Okay, okay, that is an internet connectivity problem. Connectivity errors are existing in this online basis of lectures also. And at the same time, while
Can you
delivering the content, I need to have the proper
take?
internet connectivity, as well as while receiving, you also should have the proper internet connectivity.
Yes. Can you
Yes,
please plot this video in YouTube, sir?
yes, yes, yes. The YouTube in the YouTube also, I will be uploading this, and the link will be forwarded to you in the group also.
Thank you, sir. That will
Okay.
be very good for me.
Is there any questionnaires? I have got one chat that I want PDF, sir. Okay, the PDF also will be forwarded to the group. I'll forward in your group also. And a similar video, those who are unable to listen, you can listen once again after uploading in the YouTube. The link will be transferred to you in the group also as well. All right, we'll be meeting in the tomorrow's class.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.